Introducing TruClean Frothy Cookery Cleaner, the new way to clean kitchen essentials. We have been cleaning our kitchens and cookery the same way for centuries, and Frothy has finally changed that. Frothy Cookery Cleaner features an innovative foam-activated cleaning system that enables users to clean dishes, pots and pans and other surfaces efficiently without the need to run water continuously, or the filling of sinks for soaking. This change in how utensils are cleaned will result in up to 50% less water usage and a better job. Frothy contains Lipase along with our proprietary surfactant blend to work synergistically together to produce a rapid-acting solution for grease and soil removal. Lipase targets fats, oil and grease. Frothy's powerful formula ensures the rapid breakdown and removal of tough, burnt-on grease from all types of cookware, including non-stick surfaces and stainless steel, making it an ideal choice for tackling the most stubborn kitchen messes. The product is packaged in 32-ounce quart bottles with 12 per case and 2 foaming trigger sprayers. For commercial use, we have developed the Frothy Pump Sprayer with new tips and foaming attachments. This allows for application of Frothy over a larger area and multiple cookery surfaces. For more information on this great new product, or to request samples, email us at sales@bullenonline.com.